Alright, we just got done watching Madam Web. This was a 1 hour and 56-minute movie that came out in 2024. It's a paramedic with clairvoyant abilities is forced to confront her past to survive a deadly present. Action adventure, rated PG-13. It is a superhero origin kind of story. I thought that there were so many just serious mistakes in the storyline that it was disruptive to me being able to actually watch the movie because they were just so obvious. It felt like lazy writing. I'm not a writer, never been a writer, I have no background in writing, but it just felt like lazy writing because there were so many things that were stupid and didn't make any sense and were completely unrealistic. Enough that it, like I said, was a bit disruptive. The CGI I thought was, it was okay. I've seen better, but I've also seen worse. I feel like are going to be doing a follow-up movie. It certainly made it seem that way. So, yeah, I'll see if I can find a link to this movie. If I can, I'll link it below. If you have seen this movie, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. I would say 2 out of 5 stars for me. It's not one that I would recommend unless you're just dying for a kind of a lower budget style superhero origin movie. But no, what'd you think, Lisa?
It was okay. It was a new idea for the whole almost Spider Woman feel. Yeah. Maybe the introduction of that, maybe kind of stuff. So there'll definitely be a second one if they made enough money because they set it up for a second movie.
Yeah, they definitely set it up to be that this is going to be like a series. Hopefully the next one will have a little bit more mindfulness when it comes to the storyline and the writing of specific details, but we'll see. Let me know what you thought if you've seen it, and if you haven't seen it, do you typically watch superhero special ability style movies? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Press.